Hello students. So today the next topic that we will be looking on to is intervals. Now intervals are, as the name itself suggests, that intervals means from something to something, and in between it all the things which are coming in between them are said to be an interval. For example, let us understand the statement of it first of all. Suppose I am having two numbers. Say the numbers are a, small a, and b. Say a and b are representing two specific numbers, and those two numbers are basically what? Real numbers. That means a and b belongs to real, and number a is smaller than b. Say this number is 2 and this number is 3. Now 2 and 3 both belong to real numbers. That's true. And 2 is smaller than 3. That is also true. So think about that, we are taking such example. Then, now if this scenario is there, then I can say the set of real numbers. Now when I am talking about set, that means I am talking about a lot of numbers over here. So the set of numbers, that means collection of numbers, wherein say the numbers are represented by y. Now a is a specific number, say a is 2. B is a specific number, say b is 3. Say 2 and 3 are two fixed numbers that I have taken. Then the set of real numbers y. Y belongs to not a single number, rather y belongs to a lot of numbers. Y is a representative of a lot of numbers. All those numbers are represented by y, such that y lies between a and b. That means y is greater than a and less than b. That means I am talking about all the numbers which are coming in between 2 and 3. What are those numbers? The numbers will start from 2.0000000 say 1 up to 2.999999999 like this, and it goes till infinity. I am talking about such a small number in between. So starting from this number up to this number, that means starting from 2 and ending at 3. So in between them, all the numbers which are coming, all the real numbers which are coming, if I consider those numbers as y, then the set of those y's are said to be what? An open interval. Those numbers, if they all are written in between 2 and 3, that is a and b over here, so the amalgamation, the collection of all those numbers are said to be an interval. Now how I will write this interval? I will, first of all, you must understand that this interval is called open interval. And how we will write it? We will write it as, you will open this bracket, first bracket. Now this first bracket is known as, is called parenthesis. See, we are studying sets. So here we do not say first bracket, second bracket, third bracket. What we say, this particular bracket, this was second bracket, you have read till now. Right now you are calling them as what? Braces. You are calling them braces. And this first bracket is known as parenthesis. So parenthesis open, then you will write down a, comma, b, and parenthesis close. This parenthesis or the first bracket means what? That a and b are not included. We are not including a and b. Rather, all those numbers are included which are lying in between a and b. A and b's in between numbers are taken, not a and b. This is what you need to understand. I am not starting from 2, I am not ending at 3. I have started from the next number of 2. So if I am considering a number line, if I consider a number line like this, and suppose here it is 2 and here it is 3. So I am talking about the numbers which are lying between 2 and 3. So how you will show them? So in geometrical or graphical representation, you will say, you will put a circle like this in 2, and you will put another circle like this in 3, and you will darken the line in between. This is what? This is open at 2 and close at 3. Fine. And this is open interval. That means 2 and 3 are not included. Are you getting my point? So this is what? This is an interval. This is what kind of interval? Open interval. So please note it down. Now after this, if I put equal to sign over here, that means if I start taking from 2 and I end at 3, that means 2 and 3 are now included. If it is included, then you will call it what? Closed interval. And how to show closed interval? Instead of this parenthesis, you will be using what? You will be using a square bracket. So we do not call it square bracket, we call it closed brackets. That bracket parenthesis was open bracket, this you will call as closed bracket. So that means closed bracket means what? Closed interval is formed when you are including A and B. So A is included, B is included. So that means instead of taking these numbers, so these numbers are already there. Apart from that, 2 is also there and 3 is also there. So in this case, you will darken the circle. That means 2 and 3 are not excluded. The previous case was you were excluding 2 and 3. But here you are including 2 and 3 also. That means 2 and 3. This is what? This is a closed interval. So I think open and closed interval are clear to you. Please pause the video to note it down. Now in the next scenario, you will have what? Suppose if it is from A, starting from A, where A is excluded. So you will be taking the next number from A and you will go till B. That means B is included. So you will do what? This is closed from right. Either you call it closed from right or you call it open from left. How you will make it? In this open side, this is open since A is not included. So you will put an open bracket over here. So this becomes open, open at A and closed at B. So you can call it as closed at right and open at left. Open at left. This kind of interval. Am I clear? So open from right, closed from right, open from left. So left portion you will show by a circle and right portion is closed. This is the graphical representation. Pause the video to note it down. Now the next one, suppose this is closed from A and open at B. So similarly you will do what? You will put a square bracket over here and open bracket over here. That means you will start from 2 and you will end at 2.99999. You will not take 3. So this is what? 2 is closed and 3 is open. So this is what? These are intervals. So please pause the video to note it down and try to understand the 4 types of interval over here. The intervals are open from both ends, closed from both ends, open from right, closed from left, open from left, closed from right. So this is closed from left and open at right. This is the kind of interval. Clear?